This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by shutting down obvious entry points. Go to Settings and Apps, then force stop or uninstall recent apps that show ads. Once done, revoke notification and overlay permissions for apps that can draw over the screen. You should also enable Play Protect and disallow unknown sources to prevent adware. Meanwhile, install a trusted ad blocking app or a private DNS app from Play Store so you have a system-level way to block trackers and ad domains. Next, reboot into safe mode to see if ads stop. If they do, a third-party app is causing them. You should uninstall suspicious apps one at a time and clear their cache/data so remnants don't keep showing. Make sure to revoke draw over apps and notification access for anything unnecessary. Then, configure private DNS, e.g., use an ad-blocking DNS provider, or update your ad blocker's hosts list so ads and trackers are blocked across browsers and apps, reducing future reinfection. To finish, clear all browser caches, disable pop-ups in each browser, and check extensions or web apps that inject ads. If adware survives uninstall attempts, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes persistent system-level malware. Make sure to reinstall only vetted apps and re-enable Play Protect. If ads continue after reset, boot safe mode and inspect pre-installed packages. Some carriers or installers hide adware. Contact Samsung or your carrier for a package audit as a last troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.